Because statements in logic can get pretty cumbersome, they can get pretty complicated, lots of ands and ors and implications and stuff, we have some notation that helps us to just kind of simplify it down and condense it. So we have these 5 different ways to notate things. So first, the statement A and B, we notate like this with A, and then the and is like this little caret pointing up. Okay, A and B. A or B is very similar. We just flip that sign. So we have A and then this little V symbol and B. Not A is notated with this little tilde squiggly line in front of the A. And there's actually lots of different ways that this is notated. It's also sometimes notated with like a straight line and a little tick down. Okay, so not A. Also sometimes notated with like in set notation with a line over it, or like a complement. So there's a lot of different ways that not A is notated, but this tilde A is the most common. Then we've got like if-then statements. So if A then B is just notated with an arrow. So A and then arrow pointing towards B. If A then B. So A leads to B. And if you have that in both directions, we have this statement A if and only if B. In other words, if A is B, then if A is true, then B is true, and if B is true, then A is true. So both if A then B and if B then A is notated with this double arrow, meaning either one of these being true implies the other one as well. So let's just look at an example of using these. Let P represent the statement I like Pepsi, and C represent the I like Coke statement. We're going to translate each statement here into symbolic notation. So I like Pepsi or I like Coke. So this is the statement P, so P, and then or is the little V symbol, and then I like Coke is C. So P or C. I like Pepsi and I like Coke would be P, and then the and symbol is the little caret pointing up, P and C. I do not like Pepsi. In other words, it is not true that I like Pepsi. So that is the little tilde in front of the P, not P. It's not true that I like Pepsi. It is not the case that I like Pepsi or Coke. Okay, so Pepsi or Coke, liking Pepsi or Coke, that's I like Pepsi or I like Coke, okay? But it's saying it's not the case. So we're going to put a little not in front of that. So we have to put parentheses around the whole thing, and then not I like Pepsi or I like Coke. I like Pepsi and I do not like Coke. Well, I like Pepsi is P, okay? The word and, that's the little caret, and then I do not like Coke. That means it is not true that I like Coke. So that is not C. And then here, if I like Pepsi, then I like Coke. Well, Pepsi, if I like Pepsi is P, and this is an if-then, so it's an arrow. If I like Pepsi, then I like Coke would be C.